And this is John Omar, and welcome. We are here at the Hill Benitez Masterclass.
Yay! We'll just start. I'll give you a good message for today.
Yay! Brought our sketchbooks, colored pencil by Titus, our sponsor, and pencil for sketching. Thank you, Weego Bistro, for this venue. We have here our Maya Art Corner for our workshop.
Di ba sa color wheel, there are 3 primary colors. So, nagamit ko 3 primary colors. Yan. So, pag gumamit ka sa mag-paint yung colors, so kailangan you know how to use the color wheel. Especially sa mga batuhan. Kung mga ibang babala na dito. Para may color harmony din siya. So, ang mugin na kailangan niya. Hindi ka mag-paint ka nga, pag lang po sa color, kasi pag lantang mo sa painting mo, kaamo ka ng tao, it's because nga wala galing harmony. Diba? So, ang muna kinanglan, color wheel. From light yellow, orange, gold, orange, red, orange. Gap-patch ko sa sulod para ma-identify ako as an artist na makahil pala yung painting. So, kahit anong subject ko, nagpupunta ko yan ng logos, it's because yun ang gusto ko yung may cold color or sa warm color. Monochromatic painting, you have to use one color family. It's, let's say, blue. Ilabas mo ng blue mo na color, but of course, you have to bring the brown or the black and the white. So, ikaw na mag-adjust ang tone, lighter or darker. So, it's up to you kung ano naman yung subject mo. Basta monochromatic color, composed of one color family. But if you want to draw a line below eye level, this is looking up. So, ang example nito, ini eye level siya. There, looking down. Looking up. So, you have to use this one. Okay? The looking up, eye level, and looking down.
There's looking up, eye level, and looking down.
Okay? Rule of thirds now. Divide mo rin siya 1, 2, 3. Kaya nga, i-plaster mo na din yung subject mo. Still life, gamitin mo sa gapon ng rule of thirds. Pero in your creative way, on shadow, under the object, dark, medium, light, low light, shadow, the highlights, okay? Foreground. Horizon, foreground, the source of light, the sky. That's it. Then, it's up to you kung anong composition mo. Actually, this horizon, crease, middle, and foreground, they are all the same size. Galing sa distance. Siya mo yung mga focal point yung natawa, di ba? Ano nang gusto mo yung focal point? Ang mga horizon nila, mga siya. Kaya nila parang nag-evolve na siya sa sulod ng imong subject. Dahil natatanda mo ng gusto mga bulak sa whatever, or may birds galupad, may birds sa galupad, pero ang direction nag-amo na siya rotate around.
We are now applying what we have learned from Hill Benitez, and we will see later. Warm colors for my sketch.
Wala ka shadow. So you have to do that too, right? Alright, thank you. Congratulations. Pwede ka na pakapit. No, very good, okay. Ito naman looking down. This is looking down more on the ground. Small sky, you are looking down. So from light, going foreground dark. So the dark color will give you the illusion nga malapit sa imo. Yung lahat ng colors darker. Very far kailan, light lang, blur the light color. So give you the distance too, and distance, okay? The table, okay? Shadow. Source of light is from, huwag rin ka malatawag from the left. So lighter, a little bit darker mo natin, i-dark mo natin siya para ma-emphasize makita mo, darker, ang shadow mo rin. Depende kung din ito mo yung source of light mo, pang sun o ang ilaw. Kung rin ang source of light mo, tanan din na din shadow. Bright mo siya nga, this may horizon line ka, and then your background, the forest and the sky.
So thank you very much, Hill Benitez, and please accept our certificate of appreciation. Thank you for teaching us your knowledge, landscape, basic landscape.
Thank you very much, sir. You're welcome. Thank you. Next time again.
Next time, see you again next time.
All right. You're welcome. Bye-bye.